My name is Bob Bruschini. I am a senior litigation attorney at Harding Mazzotti. I get to take a case from its inception all the way to its end, whether that is settlement, whether it is a motion, whether it's arbitration, or even a jury trial. The entire foundation of what we do is based on law, both statutory and common. In other words, laws that are written on the books, and common law, which is the cases that have gone before us. And that's the science. You have to know all about that. But in the end, you also have to deal with the personalities that go with being a litigating attorney. And those personalities are not only your opponents and the insurance companies that we have to deal with, but also the folks that are your clients. They need to be part of every portion of the litigation and every part of the case. And that's where the art is. And those things work in combination, the art and the science. I've had an opportunity to work with a number of firms. I certainly have had an opportunity to work against a number of firms. And I can tell you that I have never encountered a firm that puts the client's best interest near the degree or level that Harding Mazzotti does on a day-to-day basis. And that is tremendously unique. My background influences what I do on a day-to-day basis because I grew up in a family that worked very hard for what they had. And there was no question that that ethic was ingrained in me. And that background makes me want to continue to be the best litigation attorney that I can possibly be. I was a political science major. I chose to stay local to go to law school. I went to Albany Law. And I married a first grade teacher who spent 32 years doing that job for the first graders. We have 3 children, which are obviously the reason that we're all here. The way that we treat and respect our clients is unique, and it benefits the clients tremendously because many of them sometimes come from other firms who say they've never heard from an attorney. They've never heard from a paralegal. We don't do that. It is incredibly important for us to have the client involved in each step of the process to make the decisions that they are supposed to be making and helping them with our recommendations. And that is incredibly beneficial to the client.